Let's test out the Grizaye Burnisher Blender practice sheet. This download is available on our website and lets you test different color combinations and gradations. It's a great tool to practice blending and shading using a colorless blender pencil. We recommend our Grizaye Burnisher Blender. It's not just a two-in-one pencil, but gives you a smooth, polished finish and, in our opinion, is the best on the market. We will start by going over our chart. Lay down color 1 starting on the left side of the rectangle and overlap into our next color and so on, using the guides to help blend each shade. Once you have the colors laid down, we will blend with a colorless Burnisher blender pencil. And last, use the bottom line to record your color names. For this first example, I'm going to use 3 colors: red, poppy, and honey. I will be working from darkest to lightest. Starting with our first color, I am applying heavier pressure at the edge, then lightening my pressure as it blends into the next color, and working up to the 4th guide. You can reference the example, but to keep things simple, just remember to overlap each color 1 guideline width to assure a smooth transition. Go over your colors twice, then apply the Burnisher blender. And don't forget to record the names on the bottom line. Use 1 or more colors to experiment and have fun exploring different color combinations. Do yourself a favor and get our mini crumb brush. This PDF comes with 2 pages, so you can use the second sheet to have even more room to color. You can also get our sandpaper sharpener to keep your blender clean. This free download comes with your purchase of the Grizaye Burnisher Blender Pencil set of 2, available at grizaye.com.